In the world of beauty and style, the 1960s continue to inspire. Big hair with volume is the cornerstone of this era's look, attained through teasing or volumizing products. Bangs work wonders too, whether side-swept or blunt cut. Iconic updos like beehives or French twists will transport you back in time, while playful accessories like headbands or decorative clips add a fun touch. The 1960s makeup aesthetic calls for a flawless, matte complexion. Achieve this with foundation, concealer, and setting powder. Eyes take center stage, emphasized with dramatic black liquid eyeliner winged out slightly, and multiple coats of mascara. Stick to neutral eyeshadows, define brows naturally, and choose bold lip colors like red or coral. Opt for matte or creamy finishes, and don't forget a touch of blush for that youthful glow. And voila, a simpler guide to achieving a 1960s inspired hair and makeup look.